guitar pedals. They're pretty nifty, huh? Why don't we try making one? Here's the catch though. I'm not gonna purchase anything I don't already have in the house. You can actually find a lot of electronics components just lying around the house. Check the sock drawer. Hey, there you go. A pack of resistors and potentiometers. Holy moly. Yeah, you get up on the bookshelf. There you go. A nice jar of 3-pole double throw switches. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but LED actually stands for laundry excreted diode. And guys, this is why you always put the toilet seat down. If you don't, your toilet won't have a chance to produce 1/4-inch jacks. Obviously, a bit of goofing around with some stuff that I had bought for previous circuit bending adventures. What I'm really looking to do with this project is take a couple things I've had around the house that I don't really know what to do with and see if I can turn that into a guitar pedal. For example, I have this electronics prototyping kit. I have an old modem that I'm hoping I can steal the DC power jack off of. I have this disappointingly broken upon purchase kind of groove box toy. Let's see what we can cook up. I managed to harvest the DC power socket off of the old modem that is wired together with the 3PDT circuit. The pedal we're going to put together is the Baz Fuzz. And from my prototyping kit here, I was able to find the capacitors I need, a transistor, we'll see if it works, and a diode that I'm not sure if it's exactly right, but we'll see if it works. Alright, well look, here's my first little success. Alright, time to add everything here on the breadboard, solder to this component to component style. Alright. Well, it would be a spinning special if I didn't get some caution stripes on there. Here you go. Nice. So there's my little bundle of component to component soldering to make the pedal. Just testing it in the top half of the housing. Yeah, when I was trying to get this secured in the case earlier, I broke a leg off the transistor here, so back to the breadboard to see if I can find another transistor that works. Yeah, I'll take more care as I finish getting this inside. So after the frustration of breaking one transistor, I was able to find another. I did harvest it off of the Groovebox toy. Well, that did come in use. I thought I was gonna have to cut that bit of the video out. Snapped another transistor leg getting the new one in. Oh my goodness, Breadboard is coming in the next electronic parts order. Jesus. Another harvested transistor, and hopefully not another victim of my shoddy workmanship. Before I get into demoing the unit, let me just make a point here. Here is a pedal in the mini form factor. Here's one using a pretty standard size project box. It's a Dan Electro unit. Here's my 90s DoD unit. And then here's the dialed up fuzz. Pretty big. Pretty damn big. It was a modem after all. Let's hear how this sounds. Is this my clean tone? Here's my fuzz tone. Clean bass. And here's the fuzz. Fuzz pedal, distortion patch, tape recorder. There you go. Fuzz pedal, built with stuff I already owned. It's big. Sounds alright. I'm definitely pretty happy with how this all turned out. Would I recommend doing it? No, I wouldn't. Go buy the parts if you want to do this properly. Thanks for watching. I'm a small channel. Great if you gave me a like. Even better if you subscribed. I'm going to stand here and do some thumbnail faces. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.